Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the Philips Hue app which is not connecting to the bridges in 2026. Now, if your app says no bridge found or won't connect, don't worry. These are the real solutions that actually work. So, first of all, you need to take a look at the Hue bridge lights. Here we have three lights available. So you need to make sure that all of these three lights are turned on. Now, if any of these lights are off, your bridge isn't fully connected. Now, your phone must be on the same Wi-Fi network as the Hue bridge. If you are on the mobile data or guest Wi-Fi, it won't connect. Now, you need to unplug your Hue bridge and router, then simply wait for 30 seconds. Then you need to turn the router on first and then plug the bridge back in. This also going to fix the most of the connection related issues. You need to also make sure that the Ethernet cable is properly connected to the router. You can try a different port or cable if needed. If you are using any VPNs, you need to make sure that you turn it off. Also, disable any private DNS or network isolation features. These can also block the app from finding the bridge. Now you can try reconnecting the Hue bridge application. For that, you just have to open your Hue app. Afterwards, simply go to settings. In the settings, simply look for the option of bridges. Here in the bridges section, simply look for the option of add bridges. Now, when you press the button on top of the bridge when prompted, this is going to reconnect it properly in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.